Hi, Milorad here. After 2 days of rain, I was trying to go and see what's going on with the Springfield Park in Rowlett, Texas. And this road that I usually go through is closed. And I'm going to find alternate way to go there and see for myself. And let's go and see what's happening at Springfield Park in Rowlett, Texas after 2 days of big rain. I came to see what's going on in the park, but looks like today is not the day. Probably in a day or two it's going to be much better. We will have a water probably go back to the ponds, but there will still be some standing water on the fields, and that's where birds are coming to find and eat crawfish. And that's the best time actually to go and take some pictures of birds. And hopefully this time I will find some new birds. There it is, this side of park. There's a parking lot that is closed now. And I see some dry spots. I will probably go and walk there to see a little bit up close. I think I'm going to different park. There's a small neighborhood pond that I had great success of photographing different ducks, mostly ducks, and some turtles as well. And let's go there and see what's happening in that little pond. Here I was driving through this neighborhood and saw this turtle right there in the middle of the street. And there's lots of traffic going on. I'm going to take this turtle and put it on the away from the road. Okay, there's some standing water from the rain, and maybe I should put it a little bit closer to the water. Let's see what she's going to do, if anything. There, I see she put the head out, just looking at me. Let's go and take some pictures. There is a little turtle. Just look at me, and I think that's my good deed for today. Saving this turtle. And there's the water right here that she can go. It's not really far. Okay, there she is, putting her head out a little bit more. Let me take some more pictures. There she is moving. Okay, good luck. And I think that's it for today. My good deed for today. Saving turtle. I will call it Ryan. Saving turtle Ryan. Okay. I think that's it for today. My attempt to do some video and photo shoot after 2 days of rain and storms didn't look promising, but at the end I'm very satisfied because I'd saved Turtle Ryan today, and that is a good deed for today, and I'm very happy. Thank you very much for watching. Please stay for the gallery of today's photo shoot. Milorad out.